शिक्षा अधिकार सर्वशिक्षा अभियान सभिए पढ़ंतु सभिए पढ़ंतु। मन रखंतु आपणक प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल रो नाम सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस। प्रत्येक रविवार दिन 10टा पर ठारू उक्त चैनल खोली नुआ नुआ चटापट स्मार्ट कार्यक्रम देखिबार सुजोग नियंतु एवं आमको उत्साहित करंतु।
आसंतु बे षष्ठ श्रेणी माय इंग्लिश बुक पाठ्यक्रम में सामिल हेबा। लेसन 2 द फूलिश सन इन लॉ बोका ज्वाई। टेस्ट रीडिंग।
There was a village quack, a fake or false practitioner. He also trained his son to be a quack. One day, the father-in-law of his son had a fever. He therefore sent his son to treat his father-in-law. When his son was about to leave, he gave him some advice.
जड़े गाँवली ठक वैद्य थिले। से मध्य तांको पुओ को गोटे ठक वैद्य होबाकू तालीम देइथिले। दिने तार पुओर शशुर को जर हैला, तेणु से तांको पुओ को शशुरर चिकित्सा करने को पठाइले। जेतेले पुओ जीवाकू बाहरिला से तांको किछि उपदेश देले।
Listen, son. Common sense will make you a great doctor. Simple common sense. Then he gave him an example from his experience. Once I went to treat a patient. I saw banana peels, banana skin under his cot.
मन दे शुण पुओ, साधारण ज्ञान तुमको जड़े बड़ डाक्तर कर दे पारिबो। केवल साधारण ज्ञान ही यह संभव। तापर से तांको अनुभूति गोटे उदाहरण देले। थरे मु गोटे रोगीर चिकित्सा करने पे जाइथिली। तार खट तले कदली चुपा पड़िथिबार देखिली।
Then testing his pulse, feeling, I said, you must have taken banana. That is why you have a bad cold. The patient and his father were surprised. How could I tell from his pulse that he had eaten banana?
तापरे नाड़ी स्पंदन परीक्षा करी मु कहिली, तुमे निश्चित कदली खाइच, सेथिपई तुमको जोरे थंडा हो जाइछि। रोगी तार बापा आश्चर्य हो गले। तार नाड़ी स्पंदन किपरि कहिली जे कदली खाइथिले बोली।
In this way, using my common sense, I became a very famous doctor. Therefore, son, use your common sense. The son went to his father-in-law. He saw him lying on a cot.
एहीपरि मु मोर साधारण ज्ञान व्यवहार करी जड़े प्रसिद्ध डाक्तर हो गली। एणु हे पुओ, तुमे तुमर साधारण ज्ञान व्यवहार कर। पुओ तार शशुर घर को गला। से तार शशुर को गोटे खटिया उपरे सोइथिबार देखिला।
Under the cot, a cat was sleeping. Now he wanted to use his common sense like his father to become famous. He took the pulse of his father-in-law for some time and pretended to think.
खट तले गोटे बिलेई सोइथिला। वर्तमान तार बापांग परी तार साधारण ज्ञान को व्यवहार कर प्रसिद्ध होगाकू चाहिला। किछि समय पई से तार शशुरंकर नाड़ी को परीक्षा कल एवं चिंता कला भली छलना कला।
Then he said, Father-in-law, you must have eaten a cat, which is why you are running a high temperature.
तापर से कहला, शशुर महाशय, आपण निश्चय गोटे बिराड़ी को खाइछंती जोंथि आपण को भीषण ज्वर होइछि।
A son-in-law after his marriage was planning to visit his father-in-law's house for the first time. A man from his village gave him the advice, use big and high sounding words in your father-in-law's house.
जड़े ज्वाई तांकर विवाह परे प्रथम थर पाई तांकर शशुर घर को बुली जीवाकू योजना करुथिले। तांको ग्रामर जड़े लोक तांको उपदेश देला, तुमर शशुर घरे बड़ बड़ एवं उच्च ध्वनियुक्त शब्द सब व्यवहार करिवो।
Always sit on a high place. First say no to any food given to you. He therefore used very long and high sounding words.
सर्वदा गोटे उच्च आसन बसिबो, तुमको दि जाउथुबा जेकोसी खाद्य को प्रथमे ना कहबो। एणु से बहुत लज्जा कठिन शब्द मान व्यवहार कला।
He told his mother-in-law, "You are the sweetest, kindest, greatest and gentlest lady." The mother-in-law was very much pleased to hear this.
से तार शाशु को कहला, आपण होउचंती सबुठार अधिक मधुर, सबुठार अधिक दयावंत, सबुठार अधिक महियसी और सबुठार अधिक भद्र महिला। शाशु आसुने बहुत खुशी हो गले।
She praised her son-in-law in front of her neighbors for using high-sounding words and calling her the kindest and greatest lady.
तांको बड़ बड़ शब्द व्यवहार करी अत्यंत दयाशीला महान भद्रमहिला बोली कहिथिबारु से तांकर पड़ोसी मानक आगे ज्वाइंर प्रशंसा कले।
Following strictly the second advice, the son-in-law did not sit on a chair. He preferred to sit over paddy sacks filled high. Similarly, when any food was given to him, he said no.
द्वितीय उपदेश को कड़ाकड़ी भाव में अनुसरण करी ज्वाइन जनक चौकी रे बसिले नाही। से गदा होइतबा धान बस्ता गुड़िक उपर बसिबा को पसंद कले। सेहीपरि जेतेले कोनोसी खाद्य तांको दिया जाउथला से कहउथले ना।
One night his mother-in-law prepared delicious rice pudding, khiri, for him. When he was served this, he said no. Therefore he was not given rice pudding, but 2 or 3 drops of rice pudding fell on his plate.
दिने राति तार शाशु तापाई सुस्वादु खीरी प्रस्तुत कले। जेतेबेले तांको खाइबा के दियागला से कहले ना, तेणु तांको खीरी दियागला नाही। मात्र 2-3 बुंदा खीरी तांको प्लेट रे पड़ीगला।
When he tasted it, he wanted to have more of it, thinking it would be impolite. He did not ask for it, but he wanted somehow to eat the rice pudding. He carefully watched his mother-in-law. She put rice pudding on a pot and placed it on sikka, a high place.
जेतेबेले से तार स्वाद चाखिले से याको अधिक खाइबा को चाहिले। या अभद्र भावी से याको मांगिले नाही, किंतु जा होना कहीं से चाहूले चाउल खीरी खाइबाको। से तांको शाशु को जत्न सहकारे लक्ष्य कले। शाशु गोटे पात्र रे चाउल खीरी को पुराइले, याको एक सिक्कारे रखिदेले।
At the dead of night, he tried to get the pudding from the pot, but unfortunately it fell on his head. His whole body was smeared with rice pudding like gum.
गभीर राति से पात्र मध्यरु खीरी आने को चेष्टा कला, किंतु दुर्भाग्यवशत या तांको मुंड उपरे पड़ीगला। तांकर समग्र शरीरटा चाउल खीरी रे अठा बळी बळी होइगला।
What to do now? He thought to himself. He saw freshly plucked cotton spread on a mat to dry. He slept on it and turned to 2-3 times left at night.
से निजको निजे भाविला बर्तमान कौन करवा कब। सद्य तोला होइतबा तुला गुड़िक सुखिया पाई गोटे मसलार बिछा जाइतबा से देखिला। से या उपरे सोई पड़ला एवं बाम डाण पट को 2-3 थर गड़ीगला।
Then he looked like a lamb. What to do now? He thought to himself. So he went to the cow shed where some lambs lived. He stayed there throughout the night like a lamb.
तापर से गोटे मेंढा छुआ भली देखागला। बर्तमान कौन करा जीवो से निजको निज भाविला। तेणु से गुहाल को चलीगला, जोठार केतक मेंढा छुआ बास करथिले। से सेटारे गोटे मेंढा छुआ भली राति सारा रहिला।
In the morning, the in-laws searched for their son-in-law and found him in the cow shed. Everyone except the mother-in-law thought him to be foolish.
सकाळु शाशु शशुर सेमानक ज्वाइंकी खोजिले एवं तांको गुहाळे देखिबाको पाइले। केवल शाशु छाड़ीदेले, बाकी समस्ते तांको बोका बोली भाविले।
But the mother-in-law so pleaded, "My son-in-law is as simple and as innocent as a lamb." This made the father-in-law very angry. He was also very angry for other reasons. His wife took too much care of her foolish son-in-law. She gave him good food but neglected her husband. The son-in-law, living in comfort, was not willing to go home.
କିନ୍ତୁ ଶାଶୁ ଏପରି ଯୁକ୍ତି କଲେ, ମୋର ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ଏକ ମେଣ୍ଢା ପରି ସରଳ ନିରୀହ ଅଟନ୍ତି। ଏହା ଶ୍ୱଶୁରଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ରଗାଇଦେଲା। ସେ ଅନ୍ୟ କାରଣ ପାଇଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ରାଗିଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ନିର୍ବୋଧ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁର ବହୁତ ଯତ୍ନ ନେଉଥିଲେ। ତାଙ୍କ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଭଲ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଉଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ୱାମୀକୁ ଅବହେଳା କରୁଥିଲେ। ଆରାମରେ ଜୀବନଯାପନ କରୁଥିବାରୁ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛୁକ ନଥିଲେ।
The father-in-law therefore planned how to drive him out. They had a lemon plat full of green lemons. One day he said to his son-in-law, "Kind son, you have seen our lemon tree? The lemons are stolen by thieves at night."
ଏଣୁ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଯୋଜନା କଲେ କିପରି ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଙ୍କୁ ଘରୁ ବାହାର କରିଦେବେ। ସେମାନଙ୍କର କଞ୍ଚା ଲେମ୍ବୁପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଏକ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛ ଥିଲା। ଦିନେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ, ଦୟାଳୁ ପୁଅ, ତୁମେ ଆମର ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛ ଦେଖିଛ? ରାତିରେ ଚୋରମାନେ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ସବୁ ଚୋରି କରି ନେଉଛନ୍ତି।
I will be happy if you can catch the plant tonight and catch the thief. He also gave his son-in-law a club. In the darkness of night, the son-in-law was waiting for the thieves to come. The father-in-law wished to take water rice and asked his wife to bring a fresh lemon from the lemon plant.
ମୁଁ ଖୁସି ହେବି ଯଦି ତୁମେ ଆଜି ରାତିରେ ଗଛଟିକୁ ଜଗି ପାରନ୍ତ ଏବଂ ଚୋରଟିକୁ ଧରିପାରନ୍ତ। ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ତାଙ୍କ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ମୋଟା ବାଡ଼ି ଦେଲେ। ରାତିର ଅନ୍ଧକାରେ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ଜଣକ ଚୋରମାନଙ୍କ ଆସିବାକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଥିଲେ। ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ପଖାଳ ଭାତ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ ଏବଂ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଗଛରୁ ଗୋଟେ କଞ୍ଚା ଲେମ୍ବୁ ତୋଳି ଆଣିବାକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ।
When the mother-in-law was plucking a lemon, the son-in-law thrashed her with the club, thinking her to be a thief. Coming to know that he had beaten his mother-in-law, he felt so ashamed that he left for his home that night itself. The father-in-law had a great sign of relief.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଶାଶୁ ଗୋଟେ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ତୋଳିବାକୁ ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ ଜଣକ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେଇ ମୋଟା ଠେଙ୍ଗାରେ ଜଣେ ଚୋର ଭାବି ପିଟିଲେ। ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଶାଶୁଙ୍କୁ ପିଟିଛନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଜାଣିବା ପରେ ସେ ଏତେ ଲଜ୍ଜା ଅନୁଭବ କଲେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ଘରକୁ ସେହି ରାତିରେ ପଳାଇଗଲେ। ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଏକ ବିରାଟ ସଂକଟରୁ ରକ୍ଷା ପାଇଁ ଆଶ୍ୱସ୍ତ ହେଲେ। କମ୍ପ୍ଲିକେସନ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୱାଜ୍ ଦ ସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଲ'ସ୍ ପ୍ଲାନ୍? ଜ୍ୱାଇଁର ଯୋଜନା କ'ଣ ଥିଲା?
The son-in-law plan was to visit his father-in-law's house for the first time.
Who advised him about some do's and don'ts at his lodging house? ତାର ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘରେ କେତେକ କରିବା କଥା ନ କରିବା କଥା ବିଷୟରେ କିଏ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଉପଦେଶ ଦେଲେ?
A man from his village advised him about some do's and don'ts at his in-laws' house.
Make a list of all the advice. ସମସ୍ତ ଉପଦେଶକ ତାଲିକା କର।
The first advice was to use big and high sounding words. The second advice was always to sit on a high place. The third advice was first to say no to any food given.
What type of words did he use in speaking? ସେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତାରେ କି ପ୍ରକାର ଶବ୍ଦ ବ୍ୟବହାର କଲେ?
He used very long and high sounding words in speaking.
What did he tell his mother-in-law? ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶାଶୁଙ୍କୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ?
He told his mother-in-law, "You are the sweetest, kindest, greatest and gentlest lady."
Was she happy? ସେ ଶାଶୁ ଖୁସି ଥିଲେ କି?
Yes, she was happy to hear it.
What did she do? ସେ କ'ଣ କଲେ?
She praised her son-in-law in front of her neighbors for using high sounding words and calling her the kindest and greatest lady.
Where did the son-in-law sit? Does the sight make others laugh? ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ କେଉଁ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ବସିଲେ? ଏ ଦୃଶ୍ୟ ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କୁ ହସାଉଛି କି?
The son-in-law sat over paddy sacks piled high. Yes, the sight made others laugh.
What did he say when the rice pudding was served? ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କ୍ଷୀରି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦିଆଗଲା ସେ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ?
When the rice pudding was served to him, he refused to eat it.
Did he want to eat the pudding? ସେ କ୍ଷୀରି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲେ କି?
Yes, he wanted to eat the pudding.
Where was the pudding kept? Could he eat it? କ୍ଷୀରି ପାତ୍ରଟିକୁ କେଉଁଠି ରଖାଗଲା? ସେ ଏହାକୁ ଖାଇପାରିଲେ କି?
The pudding pot was kept on sikka. No, he couldn't eat it.
What happened when the son-in-law tried to get the pot of pudding? ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ କ୍ଷୀରି ପାତ୍ରଟିକୁ ପାଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଥିଲା ବେଳେ କ'ଣ ଘଟିଲା?
When the son-in-law tried to get the pot of pudding, it fell on his head. His whole body was smeared with pudding like gum.
What did he look like when he turned on curtain? ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ତୁଳା ଉପରେ ଗଡ଼ିଗଲା ସେ କିପରି ଦିଶିଲା?
When he turned on cotton, he looked like a lamb.
Where did the in-laws find him in the morning? ଶାଶୁ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ତାକୁ ସକାଳେ କେଉଁଠି ପାଇଲେ?
In the morning, the in-laws found their son-in-law in the cow shed.
Who thought him to be foolish? କିଏ ତାକୁ ବୋକା ବୋଲି ଭାବିଲେ?
Everyone except his mother-in-law thought him to be foolish.
Why was the father-in-law angry? ଶ୍ୱଶୁର କାହିଁକି ରାଗିଲେ?
The father-in-law was angry because his wife took much care of the son-in-law and neglected him.
Why was not the son-in-law willing to go home? ଜ୍ୱାଇଁ କାହିଁ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରୁନଥିଲେ?
The son-in-law was not willing to go home because his mother-in-law gave him good food. She took much care of him.
Who went to bring lemon from the garden? କିଏ ବଗିଚାରୁ ଲେମ୍ବୁ ଆଣିବା ପାଇଁ ଗଲେ?
The mother-in-law went to bring lemon from the garden.
Why did he beat his mother-in-law? ସେ ତା ଶାଶୁକୁ କାହିଁକି ପିଟିଲା?
He beat his mother-in-law, thinking her to be a thief.
What made him leave for his home? କ'ଣ ତାକୁ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିବାକୁ ବାଧ୍ୟ କରିଥିଲା?
When he came to know that he had beaten his mother-in-law, he felt ashamed. Out of shame, he left for his home.
Activity 1. Choose the right answer from the option. ବିକଳ୍ପ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ସଠିକ ଉତ୍ତରଟି ବାଛ. The son-in-law was not advised to dash. Use big and high sounding words. Sit on a high place. Watch the garden. Say no to any food given to him first.
Watch the garden.
The son-in-law thought it would be dash to ask for pudding. Impossible, important, impolite, impatient.
Impolite.
Everyone except dash thought him to be foolish. The father-in-law, the mother-in-law, the brother-in-law, the sister-in-law.
The mother-in-law.
The father-in-law planned to drive out the son-in-law because he sat on a high place. He beats his wife. He ate all the rice pudding. His wife took much care of her son-in-law, neglecting him.
His wife took much care of her son-in-law, neglected him.
Fill in the gaps. ଶୂନ୍ୟସ୍ଥାନ ପୂରଣ କର.
Kind son, you have seen our lemon tree. The lemons are stolen by thieves at night. I will be happy if you can watch the plant tonight and catch the thief. He also gave his son-in-law a club. In the darkness, the son-in-law was waiting for the thieves to come.
Activity 3. Write 5 words using in-law.
Mother-in-law, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law.
Activity 4. Rewrite the sentence using look like. At sunset or morning, the sun looked like a big ball.
At sunset or morning, the sun looks like a big ball.
The girl looked like a princess in her fancy dress.
The girl looks like a princess in her fancy dress.
Clouds in sky sometimes look like elephants.
Clouds in sky sometimes look like elephants.
The clear blue sky look like an umbrella.
The clear blue sky looks like an umbrella.
Her face look like a moon.
Her face looks like a moon.
Activity 5. Change the following words into plural. Son-in-law,
Sons-in-law,
daughter-in-law,
daughters-in-law,
father-in-law,
fathers-in-law,
mother-in-law,
mothers-in-law,
brother-in-law,
brothers-in-law,
sister-in-law.
sisters-in-law.
Write the opposite word. High,
Low,
pleased,
displeased,
polite,
impolite,
careful,
careless,
fortunate,
unfortunate,
fresh.
rotten,
Opposite words. Dry,
wet,
foolish,
clever,
innocent,
guilty,
comfort,
discomfort,
willing,
unwilling,
kind.
cruel.
ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ୍ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ନାମ ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍।
ଆପଣ ପ୍ରତି ରବିବାର ଦିନ 10ଟା ପରେ ଦେଖିବାର ସୁଯୋଗ ପାଇବେ ଅନେକ ଆକର୍ଷଣୀୟ ଧାରାବାହିକ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟକ୍ରମ ଯଥା ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟ, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବକ୍ତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ଅଭିନେତା, ଆମ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ଓ ଆହୁରି ଅନେକ ଅନେକ।
ଆମ ରାଜ୍ୟ କାର୍ଯ୍ୟାଳୟର ଠିକଣା ହେଲା ସୁପରଷ୍ଟାର୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍, YouTube channel, care of Brigade Bhavan, plot number L1739, phase 2, post Dumduma, Housing Board Colony, via Khandagiri, Bhubaneswar, pin 751019. धन्यवाद।
सुपरस्टार्स एक्सप्रेस रो ऑफिस जोगाजोग मोबाइल नंबर है 8260186104। आउ थे कहीदे 8260186104। प्रतिभावान छात्र छात्री एक शुभ खबर, जदि आपणक भितरे कौनसी आश्चर्य प्रतिभा थाए तेबे आम मोबाइल नंबर रे जोगाजोग करंतु। आमे आपणको आम यूट्यूब चैनल रे प्रतिभा प्रदर्शन सुजोग देबा पई चेष्टा करिवु। बयस 2 वर्ष रु 18 वर्ष।